Good afternoon. My name is Marty Lester. Today is March 3rd, 2017, and I'm here to talk about this week in immigration law. Earlier this week, I had the opportunity to be a guest on a radio show. This show had a very conservative listener group, and one caller who called in was very angry about how I was discussing the immigration system. In this caller's opinion, the only reason that the president was ordering deportations was to get rid of criminals, people who had already had their day in court, and not to get rid of regular, ordinary people. Well, I disagreed with him then, and I disagree with him now. If you know anything about the immigration system, you know that it doesn't just remove criminals, it removes average, everyday people also. And this week we had an example of this from Jackson, Mississippi. I want to talk to you for a minute about Daniela Vargas. Daniela Vargas came to the United States at the age of 7 from Argentina with her parents. They entered lawfully on what was called a visa waiver, and then they overstayed. Daniela grew up in Mississippi, graduated from high school, and had a dream to go to college and become a math professor. Because she had no legal status in the United States, Daniela applied for and was granted DACA, Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals. She has a renewal petition pending right now. The other day, ICE came to her house and arrested her father and her brother. They also detained her but let her go. Shortly after that, Daniela, together with her immigration lawyer, appeared at a public forum to talk about the experiences of people whose families had been detained. Not surprisingly, shortly after she left that meeting, Daniela was stopped and arrested by ICE officials. The ICE officials told her, "You know who we are, you know why we're here," and they took her to detention. Because Daniela originally entered on a visa waiver, it is very likely that she will not even see an immigration judge, and that she will be deported in the next few weeks without even having an opportunity to ask to stay in the United States. Now, I don't blame people like my caller on the radio show who can't believe that that's the way the system actually works. Because as Americans, we're raised to believe that America stands for certain values: fairness, decency, honesty, fair play, to separate good from bad, to give everybody a day in court. And people who believe that that's the way the American system works can't believe that the immigration system isn't set up that same way. We all know that it's not. But let's ask the question: does our system promote fair play? Does it promote honesty? Does it promote compassion? Does it separate good people from bad people and let good people stay? I'll tell you what. Let's ask Daniela Vargas that question when she gets off the plane in Argentina and see what her answer is. If you have any questions about immigration law, or if you have a case you'd like to discuss with us, please feel free to contact us. Our telephone number is 423-402-0608. You can reach us online at www.lesterlaw.org, or for our Spanish-speaking viewers, we have information available online at www.tenemosderechos.info. You can also call us at the phone number that I gave earlier, Hablamos Español. So, until next week, for those of you watching, stay strong, be brave, keep fighting the good fight, keep yourselves safe. We'll see you next week.